So ingoma enkulu so far in your music career.
Ingoma enkulu like for manje ngama views ngama numbers mi usebenzela ngithola featuring Skywalker Rase, shout out to Nikalami in Udunza, shout out to Udunza wafethu aliwele. Then yeah usebenzela ngama numbers but abantu mina abaningi manje bangazi ngobhala ngithola
Alright,
bangazi ngobhala
Bathina sebangeni abamba lapha abona sabaseki open isitudio sabobani anangu lamntwana athulana anangu tata ay isho aphethe labo bani futhi mina bathina sebangeni abamba lapha abona sabaseki open isitudio sabobani anangu lamntwana athulana anangu tata ay isho aphethe labo bani
Alright.
Mangazi
So
ngobhala.
wena ngaphakathi kwakho yiphi ingoma like oyibonile ukuthi this one I feel like I'm sharing my story to the world.
sharing my story yo mfana share story through ngengoma
Or speaking your mind like through a song, because this is all about the craft where like you speak what's in yourself, like into the conversation over now inside yourself and you share it to someone else amakayizwa uyayi-enjoy.
oh bayacabela ikhalamba ntingi about mina ingoma angiyoba ngishiye ngitone estrada ngithola kufanele mu change so mood yami ngiyayichange awona if ungekho green ngiyichange ngokulethela happiness so ukuthi ujabule nawe ujayive bemnandi ngongena kanje like let's say ungena eClubini Wise kanje makudlala uKiller Mills ungadabukisa uqala ukuthi yo le ngoma ngithola marwenzeni ujayive ufila ngathi like yonke into seyigreen ngibamba so mina like ngoba ngintwana estrada mina ngicula ama-track wami nga-estrada wonke ubanda is about a friend ne.
So please take us through the craft. Niyenze kanjani ubanda like
ubanda ubanda like lokuthi ka ubanda phela it's a surname ngithola surname yakho it's Bandase ngithola i-outside I'm shout out to ubanda bafethu shout out ntana yami ngithola outside from Esgate yabo yeah i-outside from Esgate ngibamba thuma i-outside from Esgate ubanda bo umuntu like uthandwa wonke umuntu yabo ubanda umuntu uthandwa wonke umuntu so like mayithandwa abantu bonke like intwana ifani intwana ine vibe yabo so nami ngiphuma kwenzakala nje ukuthi like mangise studio
kama ngubani
ngathi like bengithanda ukukhuluma naye la efonini yabo then bekune